Since night?
Night and understand rain will come.
Rain is coming?
Yes.
And what is coming more?
I should understand.
Also thunderstorm.
Yes.
Oh my God. And if you
Go outside and understand will come and bite you.
thunderstorm and rain will come and wet you.
Yeah,
Oh
and
my.
bite you.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Too much rain, Arzan. How we will go to pick girls from the school?
If rain will start, then we can go outside.
How we will go, Babu? It's too much rain.
We can
Oh.
take an umbrella for the home.
We can take umbrella. Very nice. Good answer. We can take umbrella and then go to take your sisters.
Yes.
Oh my God. Where are your sisters today?
In the school.
In the school.
Yes.
Oh my God.
That is the school.
That is the school.
Yes.
You are right. The school is very near to our home.
Yes.
Thank God. But the rain is too much.
We
Did you
can
see?
take an umbrella.
Too much rain.
We can take an umbrella.
Umbrellas? Arzan have umbrella?
That I have an umbrella in the house. I put an umbrella.
Okay, you will put that umbrella? You will
Yes.
take the umbrella?
Yes.
And then you will go?
Yes.
Okay, we will go, okay?
Yes.
You are enjoying the weather in the home?
Yes.
Oh my God, too much rain. Arzan? Come look at the rain. You are feeling cold?
Yes.
Oh my God.